Welcome to Tset. In these demo calculations, we aim to show you how Tset works and what exactly the software can do. In this particular calculation, we're going to focus on high-pressure die casting. We start by adding a new calculation to our project. First, we need to enter a part name and, if desired, a part number. Then we just need some economic information, such as the base currency, lifetime, our volumes, and of course the location. When ready, we simply click on Continue to take us to the next step. Now we get to select a suitable technology for creating our part. As you can see, we have multiple modules to choose from. Since we are talking about a transmission housing, we are going to select our high-pressure die casting module. Again, we click on Continue to take us to the next step, where we need to enter the weight of our finished raw part and choose the desired casting material. Next, the cost module shows us a selection of shapes for us to choose from based on the settings we just entered. Here we select a shape that best resembles our own part, considering also the need for sliders. Some of our cost modules already offer the option of uploading your own 3D part drawing. Afterwards, we now need to add some different technology-specific parameters, such as heat treatment options, porosity class, and of course additional manufacturing steps. We also need to specify our geometrical part data, like the wall thickness and the main part dimensions. The projected area of our part is calculated automatically according to the shape and the dimensions entered. This can of course be edited as desired. To finish the process, we simply click on Save Calculation, and the system then creates a very detailed bottom-up calculation of our part, both for cost and for carbon footprint. The calculation itself is fully editable in every detail and uses verified cycle time calculations and also estimations on tooling costs. Using the simple toggle switch at the top of our screen, we can easily switch from cost to CO2 values in every single detailed view of our calculation. For further information about our software, please visit tset.com.